Yeah.
Hello guys! Welcome back to Denson channel. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. Hello guys, good day to all of you. Please join me again in our driving tour, this time in California, USA. Now we are in Sunset Boulevard in the area of Arcadia and Pasadena. So this is Sunset Boulevard, guys.
No.
Here you can find some commercial establishment as well as residential buildings. This one is an commercial building. It's called H-Mart. You can find some restaurants, groceries, supermarket. Some offices are also here. So this guys is the Sunset Boulevard. Residential areas can cost to as much as $5 million each.
No.
It's a nice development, guys.
No.
Full of green, a balanced environment.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
So after this intersection, we will be heading to
It's like
California Boulevard, guys.
as a kid.
On the other side of the intersection, this is California Boulevard.
Young, and it's just begun.
So still there are a lot of residential areas here, big areas,
The night,
full of greeneries.
the light pulls us from the sky, just two hearts.
And the properties here may cost
As we shout,
as much as $5 million.
we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So the people that lives here are, we can say, above average income.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all.
Mostly businessmen and professionals
Wanna dance to the light. Pulls us from the sky, just
are living in this area.
running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top.
It's so quiet here, guys.
Be
So peaceful.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Probably the cheapest house that you can buy here is around $1.5 million.
Summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regret.
This is still California Boulevard, guys.
wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Okay, so now we just turn right to San Gabriel. So we are now in San Gabriel in San Pascual area. Look at the houses, guys. It's very nice. Lot of greens, lot of plants and trees. Okay, guys, I would also like to share with you the hotel where we stayed in Pasadena. This is a Hilton hotel. Hilton Garden Inn in Arcadia and Pasadena. This is a 2 beds hotel. As usual, there's a television, air conditioning with heater, a window with a view to outside, table, lampshades. So this is a typical 1-bedroom hotel here in Arcadia, Pasadena area. There's a microwave, coffee maker, and a personal refrigerator. Also, there's a flat iron. And this is the toilet, guys. It has a bathtub, shower, free body wash and lotion, some towels. So that's it, guys. Just a typical hotel room. So there is also a phone, a lampshade. It's so simple, yet it's comfortable for your few days of stay. That's the refrigerator. And that is basically it, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please click like and leave your comments below. If you are not yet subscribed, please do not forget to tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. See you on my next video.